Hello, my name is Scott Milgren here, SkipperBud's in Oshkosh. Here is Forwind's new H4. Great new boat that they just came out with this year. It's got sharp lines, a beautiful looking boat. This particular boat is the outboard version with a 250 Mercury on it. Of course, does come with a swing tongue trailer directly from Forwind's, makes for easy trailering. It is tandem axle. It was all black with a red stripe in it. In the back here you'll see the Mercury 250 power that we have on this boat. Nice swim deck on the back. Even though it's an outboard, you still have plenty of space to move around back here. Getting up into the boat, you do have a nice walkthrough that you can get through or set it up as cushions. The boat does come with a bimini top. In this particular boat, we have equipped with the sea weave and the Simrad dash. Very beautiful, deep boat. You'll notice that there are chargers built in throughout. And again, removable cushions here, so you can have it set up as a walkthrough or put your cushions in here. More storage here. Nice recessed cup holders. Driver does have a wireless charger built in for him. This comes with a kicker Bluetooth stereo. Over here you've got a nice dash area. A little lockable compartment there. A nice deeper compartment here. Up in the bow you can see a nice deep bow. So if you're out in bigger water, this is a great boat to be on. Filler cushions. Does come with a table and a mount. You do have the windscreen door here as well, so if it's a little chillier out, you can certainly block off the cabin, or the cockpit, sorry. Bolster seats for both driver and passenger. This boat is rated here for 11 people, so plenty of room for all your friends and family. Storage, of course, underneath all the seats. There you have it. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're happy to help assist.